Hello guys and welcome to Game Design. My name is John Haste and I'll be your instructor during this course. I've been teaching online for over 9 years. I've created games, apps, and worked in a technology school. I love teaching and I have over 20,000 students all over the world. In this course, I'll teach you a technique I use to make all of my games. This technique can be used to build digital games, board games, and even gamification. I'll teach you how to build a game design canvas. It's a table of contents that helps you visualize your project better, helps you structure and develop your game in a more efficient way. It can be quickly done and it's very useful. This is not a programming course, so don't worry about coding or previous experiences. The goal is to understand how to build projects from scratch and develop them using management tools, brainstorming techniques, and tips to make games that really make sense. This course is gonna help you understand how games are made using a theory I developed myself called the Semaphore Game Design Canvas. First, I'll show you how to find the purpose of your game. Why are you making it anyway? What are your goals by building this project? And how to define metrics for your goals. Then we start in the red sign. I'll show you how to work with platforms, number of players, target audience, and duration of your game. Then we go to the yellow sign where I'll teach you about genres, mechanics, story and theme, and aesthetics. And finally, the green sign, what makes your game be a game. So I'll talk about goals, interactions, obstacles, and rules. By the end of this course, you will be a game design canvas master and will be able to create the tables for your own projects, no matter what type of project it is. You will have a better vision of the whole thing and manage your team by using Kanban and Agile development. You will also answer to some quizzes to help you memorize what you've learned during this course. I'll teach you how to fill your canvas step by step for your own projects with several examples. You will also be able to download the presentation using during this course and a game design canvas template to practice with your own games. If you want to build digital games, board games, or gamification experiences, this course is for you, project manager. If you don't know how to structure your game projects, this course is for you. Learn the semaphore technique and build games with ease. Enroll now and I'll see you in the course. Bye!